know some of you will be in the comments right now going, I didn't pay anything. Arr. Arr. Did you learn nothing from VHS cassettes when you were a kid? Did you not listen when they said,
Video piracy is a crime. Do not accept it.
That's fine. If you don't like Windows updates or you're a dirty, filthy, stinking pirate, I won't argue with you. Things that are free are good. But if you want to be on the straight and narrow, I can help you get there for just £11. Or you could actually win one of 2 licenses completely for free. If you wait till the end of the video, I'll tell you how to do that. Hey there, sport! I see you've decided to stop being a filthy, dirty, disgusting, stinking pirate commie scumbag! But how? Life is so complicated! You've got less than 3 brain cells, don't you? Luckily for you, YourCDKey.com has the answer. Simply click on the link in the video description to be taken to the site, purchase the CD key using PayPal or your preferred method, wait for approximately 30 seconds for the key to arrive, open your start menu and type in activation into the search bar, enter your CD key and you will have a valid copy of Windows. That wasn't so difficult, was it? Not even for an insufferable ingrate like you. You are CD Key. Stop being a disgusting, stupid, stinking, filthy commie pirate. Today's sponsor is YourCDKey.com, and among other things, they specialize in reselling Windows 10 Pro licenses at a ridiculously discounted rate. Is this dodgy? No. It is not illegal for them to resell you a CD key, it is not illegal for you to purchase a resold CD key, and if Microsoft for some reason decided they were going to kill your key later on down the line, they won't. It's a legitimate key. You could just get your money back via PayPal anyway. You are completely protected. Do Microsoft like that they're doing this? Hang on, let me check. Get me Bill Gates. Oh, he won't speak to me because I'm poor and he's too busy having grapes pushed into his mouth by some supermodel on a yacht. Right, okay, yes, I don't care. But I don't want to spend £11. That's fine. You can win it. There are 2 to give away, and all you've got to do to win is tell me, in inches, how big is my favourite thing in the world. Stop that. We're talking, of course, about my Batman helmet, you filthy-minded pervert. I want you to tell me from the base of its stand to the top of its ears, how many inches tall is this? The closest will win. If you get it bang on, as first come, first serve, 2 to give away, go. I'll be announcing the winners of both the Ivacy VPN lifetime subscription giveaway and this giveaway on social media, so you might want to come and hang out with me there. This is my Facebooks, this is my Twitters, and this is my Instagrams. I shall let you know on all 3. Come and be my best friend. If you want to help make these videos a possibility, these amazing people over here are my patrons from Patreon. I can't thank them enough. Honestly, without them, these videos wouldn't happen anymore. You can be one of those guys at either Patreon or buy me a one-off beer at PayPal, and either way, I'll love you forever. If you want to see some more of this guy, hit that subscribe button and ding that bell. If you ding the bell, it lets YouTube know that you want to be notified when I upload videos. Hit that like button. I did all this backwards. I normally do this in a completely different order. That's it. See you next time. YourCDKey have... Why are you making weird noises? I see you've decided to stop being a dirty, stinky, pirate commie filth bag.